ik ben Isra de Blauwe, medisch entomoloog aan het Instituut voor Tropische Geneeskunde. In deze video toon ik je hoe je eitjes van steekmuggen kan onderscheiden van die van gelijkaardige vliegen en hoe je die eitjes kan identificeren tot op chemisch niveau. Er komen momenteel in België 5 verschillende muggengenera voor: Culex, Culiceta, Aedes, Anopheles en Coquelididia. In het kader van de monitoring voor exotische Aedes-steekmuggen is het vooral belangrijk om de eitjes van het Aedes-genus te herkennen in de eilegvallen.
There are useful characteristics to distinguish between mosquito eggs and eggs of similar flies. A mosquito egg is always elongated with a length of about 1 mm, spindle-shaped, always opaque. The eggs are laid individually or in groups. The eggs of similar flies are often shorter, rounder, or folded in a U-shape. They are sometimes transparent and often deposited in a slimy mass. Examples are eggs of the lake fly from the Chironomidae family, the phantom midge from the Caboridae family, or the biting midge from the Ceratopogonidae family. Eggs from the genus Anopheles are laid individually on or just above the water surface. They have lateral float structures and float in geometric patterns. A common species in Belgium is Anopheles plumbeus. Typical breeding sites are tree holes and artificial containers such as used tires, but also large manure collecting pits of abandoned and uncleaned pig stables. Eggs from the genus Aedes are laid individually, just above the water surface. They have no lateral float structures. A well-known exotic Aedes species regularly introduced in Belgium is a tiger mosquito or Aedes albopictus. Its eggs are resistant to desiccation and cold and can survive for several months. Typical breeding sites are artificial containers such as tires, road drains, rainwater barrels and buckets. 2 other exotic Aedes mosquito species are Aedes japonicus and Aedes coraicus. Both species are established in Belgium. Larvae can be found in tree or rock holes and in artificial containers such as tires, metal construction equipment and flower vases. Eggs from the genera Culex, Culiceta and Coquelididia are laid upright in group in so-called rafts. These rafts float on the water surface. Common mosquitoes in Belgium are the house mosquito or Culex pipiens and the banded mosquito or Culiceta annulata. Their breeding sites are very diverse and can be natural as artificial, in fresh or even highly polluted water. You can easily find the house mosquito in rainwater barrels in your garden. The one and only Coquelididia species in Belgium is Coquelididia ricardii. This species is associated with natural areas such as wetlands. To summarize, Culex, Culiceta and Coquelididia eggs are laid upright in group, in so-called rafts. They float on the water surface. Aedes and Anopheles eggs are laid individually. Anopheles eggs have lateral float structures. They are laid on or just above the water surface and can float in geometric patterns. Aedes eggs do not have lateral float structures. They are laid just above the water surface.